In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Evernote tasks to streamline your productivity. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you can easily manage your to-do list with confidence and efficiency. To get started, we'll focus on navigating through the Evernote interface. Open up your Evernote application and turn your attention to the sidebar. This is where you'll find the central hub for managing your tasks within Evernote. In this sidebar, you'll notice a variety of options. Go ahead and click on the one labeled Tasks. This section is specifically designed to house all your task management needs, providing a dedicated space for organizing your projects. Once you've clicked on Tasks, you'll see a clean and simple layout. Here is where you can add new tasks. Look for the button that says Plus New Task. It should be prominently displayed within this section. Click this button to start adding a new task to your list. It's designed to be straightforward, allowing you to quickly jot down tasks as they come to mind. Now that you've opened the new task window, it's time to enter your task details. Take a moment to think about what needs to be accomplished. As you type in the task, consider including a brief description or any particular notes that will help provide context. This is a great way to ensure that when you come back to this task later, you'll have all the necessary information at your fingertips. An added benefit of Evernote tasks is the ability to associate tasks with specific notes. If this is something you'd like to do, look for the option to link your task to a note within your Evernote account. Associating a task with a note can be particularly beneficial if your task is related to a broader project, or if specific details are outlined elsewhere in your notes. It helps to keep everything interconnected and accessible from one place. With your task details entered and any associations made, take a moment to review what you've inputted. Checking for accuracy now can save time and confusion later. Once you're satisfied, you can save the task. This will integrate the task neatly into your task list, where you can easily return to it whenever needed. In summary, creating tasks in Evernote is a streamlined process designed to enhance how you organize and complete your daily tasks. By utilizing the sidebar, clicking on the Task section, and using the Plus New Task button, you can make task entry quick and efficient. Don't forget the option to associate each task with a note if necessary, adding another layer to your task management. As you begin using these features more regularly, you'll likely find that your ability to track and manage tasks becomes more intuitive, ultimately leading to a more productive workflow.